What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Here to announce the winner of our giveaway that we were doing through the holidays. The winner for that was Zach Stewart. Also, going to go ahead and announce the next giveaway we're going to do, which is a recovery kit from Overland Vehicle Systems. It comes with a 20,000 pound snatch block, 2 recovery shackles, a recovery wrap. That's a nice wax canvas bag. You can wrap it all in. It's got some buckles you can undo here. Got the toe strap. Snatch block goes in this pocket. 2 shackles in that one. It's pretty cool. It leaves it all nice and contained. Also do some stickers with that. So as before, like, share, and subscribe. Leave us a comment of what you're currently wheeling in. Biggest trip you're looking forward to this year. Just looking to get some more subscribers, and please share the video. Also, don't forget to hit us up on ap4x4.com for any of your needs. Thanks.